Listen to the instructions.
The story of Mickey Mouse is interesting for children, isn't it? Today, we are going to learn about a grammar topic called prepositions through this cartoon story. Please read the text aloud, which is provided in the read section. After that, complete the task given in the right section. If you are not a student, use relevant words such as your job, organization, or office, etc. To document your daily lessons, use a separate notebook. In the notebook, there are many writing and scribbling tasks, but the most significant one is recording your voice. Do it religiously if you want to speak confidently and flawlessly.
Read the sample task.
Roman and Ronnie were playing hide and seek when suddenly Roman spotted a big rat running around the room. The cat was chasing the rat. At first, the rat was on the doormat, then it ran into a shoe, but soon came out and tried to hide behind it. The shoe was not big enough to hide the rat's body, so it tried to go under it. The rat then jumped over the tea table and onto the sofa from the ground. Finally, the cat caught the rat on the sofa. Oh, poor rat.
Imagine a snake was chasing a frog. Write the story changing the characters and its relevant information as shown in the paragraph. Sample answer.
Max and Mia were exploring the forest when suddenly Max spotted a fierce eagle swooping down from the sky. A fox was chasing the eagle. At first, the eagle was perched on a tree branch, then it took flight, but soon came down and tried to hide behind a bush. The bush was not dense enough to conceal the eagle's wings, so it tried to blend in with the tall grass. The eagle then soared over the rocky terrain and onto a cliff from the ground. Finally, the fox caught the eagle on the cliff. Oh, poor eagle.
Write an original piece.
Write the story you have read above in your own words. Don't copy the story word to word. Make it easy and logical. Sample answer.
While playing hide and seek, Roman and Ronnie were startled when Roman noticed a sizable rat darting across the room. Hot on its trail was a determined cat. Initially, the rat sought refuge on the doormat, then scurried into a nearby shoe. However, finding the shoe too cramped, it attempted to conceal itself beneath it. Undeterred, the rat leaped over the tea table and onto the sofa in a desperate bid for safety. Alas, the cat swiftly captured the rat on the sofa. Oh, the unfortunate rodent's plight.
Learn a grammar topic.
Prepositions in English serve to establish relationships between nouns, pronouns, or phrases within a sentence. They indicate location, time, direction, manner, or possession. Location: the book is on the table. Time: we will meet at 3 p.m. Direction: she walked towards the park. Manner: he speaks with confidence. Possession: the keys are in my pocket. Some common prepositions are on, in, under, below, over, above, by, next to, beside, across, through, among, between, behind, in front of, along, against, towards, during, since. I live in at Andheri. It's in Mumbai. We go from Andheri to Sion to at.
Deal with the rule.
Phrasal prepositions are combinations of verbs and prepositions that form new meanings when used together. Examples of commonly used phrasal prepositions. First, injurious to, harmful to. Second, interested in, having an interest in. Third, different from, not the same as. Fourth, accustomed to, familiar with. Fifth, composed of, made up of. Sixth, consistent with, in agreement with. Seventh, devoid of, lacking in. Eighth, devoted to, dedicated to. Ninth, responsible for, accountable for. 10th, comparable to, similar to.
Perform the exercise.
Now look at the box and answer the following question. A. Which day comes after Tuesday? B. Which day comes between Friday and Sunday? C. Which day comes before Wednesday? D. What time do you wake up every Monday? E. What time do you wake up on Sundays? F. Do you pray on the 5th day of the week?
Record your written task.
Record the story, the one which you have written yourself, on the writing section.
As Ronnie was in the room, they suddenly noticed a large rat slithering around. The rat was moving with agility similar to Mickey Mouse. However, a snake was pursuing it. Initially, the rat rested on the doormat before darting into a shoe. However, it soon emerged and sought refuge behind the shoe, though its body remained partially exposed. Desperately, it attempted to slide underneath. With a swift motion, it leaped over the tea table onto the sofa from the floor. Ultimately, the snake managed to apprehend it on the sofa. It was a sad end for the poor rat.
Speak it aloud.
You can take the help of the flashcards or even the keywords to narrate the story.
Suddenly, Ronnie spotted a large rat slithering around the room, moving with agility akin to Mickey Mouse. In fact, a snake was pursuing it. Initially, the rat rested on the doormat before darting into a shoe. However, it soon emerged, seeking refuge behind the shoe, though its body remained partially exposed. Desperately, it attempted to slide underneath. With a swift motion, it leaped over the tea table onto the sofa from the floor. Ultimately, the snake managed to apprehend it on the sofa. Oh, poor rat.
Perform your role from the skit.
Design a treasure hunt game hinting 10 locations with clues to search the treasure within the school campus while the treasure is an expensive watch Rolex. Participants read next clue to continue their search, eventually to find the treasure in about 100 words. Participants, welcome to the thrilling treasure hunt within our school campus. Your quest is to discover the hidden treasure, an exquisite and valuable watch. Here are the clues leading you to its secret location. 1. Start point. Begin your journey where knowledge blooms, where books whisper secrets in quiet rooms. 2. Garden. Amongst flowers that bloom with grace, seek the clue in a green embrace. 3. Sports field. Where cheers echo and spirits soar high, your next clue lies beneath the sky. 4. Art room. Amidst colors vibrant and brushes bold, find the clue where creativity unfolds. 5. Library, where stories weave dreams and knowledge reigns, your next hint awaits amongst bookish lanes. 6. Cafeteria, amongst aromas tempting and flavors diverse, find the clue where students converse. 7. Science lab, Amidst experiments and discoveries profound, your next clue in science can be found. 8. Music room, where melodies dance and notes take flight, seek the clue amidst music's delight. 9. Principal's office, in the heart of authority, where decisions are made, your next clue will not evade. 10. Final destination, auditorium. Your journey ends where talents shine bright, under the stage's magical light.